Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how this one strategy changed my life completely, and I started gaining so much more profits and making thousands and thousands of dollars. And you can do the exact same. All you have to do is watch until the end of this video because it's filled with value. So let's just get straight into it. So first off, you need to be using the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so make sure you only use 5-min time frame. All right, that's the first step to profitability. Okay, and this strategy only works on Euro USD, and it works on NAS 100, it works on GBP USD, and also it works on gold. Okay, I've seen the most amount of profitability in these pairs, so make sure you are using it correctly. Okay, I'm using GBP USD today on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, the next thing is we need high probability market structure shifts. Okay, we need some high probability MMS. Okay, we need some high probability market structure shift, right? And the last thing and the most important thing is the high probability FVG, fair value gap. Okay, this is the most important bit of the whole strategy. Okay, the high probability fair value gap, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how it's used. You can see a bit here right now how it's used, and this one indicator actually completely changes the game and makes you so profitable. Okay, and all you need now is the looks algo indicator. Okay, all right, so this is everything set right now. That's going to be on the chart, and now I'm going to be taking you towards the actual strategy and the checklist. So these are the pairs it works on. You only trade within the 5-minute time frame. All right, so now we need to identify price sweeps, Asian sessions, buy side or sell side liquidity, then look for reversal opportunities. All right, so right now I'm on the Asian session right now. So Asian sessions highs have been swept, and London session swept all the highs right here. You can see the 3 points, and these 3 points are 3 points of liquidity, as you can see right there. Okay, and this indicator actually marks out the time frame you need to be trading in by itself. Look how amazing that is. Okay, so now we know that New York session is actually just a retracement of London session. Okay, so if I play price forward, it's going to enter our trading time. There you go, it just entered our trading time right here, and what we can see is an actual high probability market structure shift, which is right there. All right, so you can mark this out so easily right here. So this is a market structure shift. Okay, so that's hit now. Now all we have to do is find the high probability fair value gap. All right, so there we go. We have the high probability one right here, and it's usually indicated like this. All we have to do is enter the sell and short on this. Okay, it's only on the 5-minute time frame it works, and you place your stop loss on the displacement high right here, the leg. Okay, now you put your take profit at a point like somewhere around here, at a point of interest, somewhere around here or somewhere around here. Okay, so I'm going to be placing it just around this FEG area. Actually, I could place it in the middle of them two, so we can see actually how this trade plays out. Okay, so just before I play this whole price forward, I have a mentorship which is running right now, which is one-time payment, full guarantee. I will be teaching you exactly how to become profitable and gain your first $1,000 with prop firm accounts. Okay, and pass all of your funded accounts. Once you purchase, you gain access to my Discord, which have a good community of big time traders, and we also have a secret strategy that I personally teach inside, which is even a better strategy than the one I'm teaching you right now. And we have a full course of 20 hours plus of content and files which you can actually use as resources to improve your trading over time. Okay, we also have weekly and sometimes daily calls, which are live calls, and we be traded lifetime. Okay, so we have also bonuses right here, and I don't want you to be missing on this. So I've only made it $50 for today, and the price is increasing to $99 tomorrow. So make sure you actually get this right now. But let's get straight back into the video. So now if I play price forward, you can see how it's re-entered this area of high probability, and now it will actually go all the way down. There we go. We had a high probability market structure shift again, which just shows us even more that price will go to the downside. Now if I play price forward even more, you can see it is going towards downside. Okay, if I keep playing it, you're going to see by itself, and it will hit take profit. So let me just click this as fast as I can. Here we go. So there we go. Okay, it's going towards downside, and it's nearly gonna hit take profit. And we could have already exited, but we don't want to exit. We always want to exit at TP. Okay, always at TP. So if it's still going, and there we go, we absolutely smashed TP. Okay, this is such a good strategy, and if you actually use this, you will become profitable. Okay, I'm going to be showing you this in another example, but this example is going to be very hard, so make sure you are listening and watching very carefully. Okay guys, now that we're on another example, I'm going to be just showing you the checklist again so you can have a brief look over it. So we need to identify if price sweeps agent sessions buy side or sell side liquidity, then look for reversal opportunities. Okay, and we also need to find a market structure shift with the displacement and execute on the fair value gap. But all of this is actually solved by this indicator. Okay, so if I play price forward, you can see the price actually goes to the upside and it breaks the upside right here. It breaks towards the upside and it starts going downside. Okay, but you can see it doesn't break downside area, which means it is still going to continue up because this is a higher low and this is a higher high. Okay, so it's going to keep going up, and there we go. You can see it actually keeps forming and it keeps going up. If I go back a little bit, like anywhere around here, we can see that our market structure shifts are actually coming in. Okay, you can see the high probability one just entered right here because the fair value gap actually formed. It might be look very small, but it actually formed. Okay, so what makes this actually the most recent high is because the candle before it and the candle after it did not go above it. Okay, so you see this candle right here and this candle right here. If they actually went above this candle right here, then this would not be a valid high. Okay, but just because they didn't, it is a very valid high. Okay, so now if I just play price forward, I will actually mark out my FEG area right here all the way, and I will enter off this area. So if I just put my buy position right there we go, and my stop loss will be anywhere around here. My take profit will be around this area of these highs. Okay, this Asian sessions highs. So all I need to do now is play price forward, and this is a very good strategy for consistent and need to be consistent traders, because it offers a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. It is kind of on the low side, but it's very good for the long term. Okay, play price forward, you can see it just smashes take profit. Okay, this strategy is very good. Make sure you're actually using it, and the link will be in the description for this actual indicator. Now I'll be showing you one last time how to actually do this, because I don't like actually exposing this too much because it works so well. Okay, I'll be showing you one last time. Okay guys, now that I'm on the last example, make sure you are listening carefully to what I'm exactly about to say, because this is some real value. Okay, so if I play price forward, you can see that price actually swept the lows of Asian session, but this doesn't end here, because I've been teaching you the silver bullet and it actually works very well, but it doesn't show up as much as this strategy right here, because most of the times the silver bullet actually goes into one direction and then it starts going towards the upside. But this, when price actually continues going towards the downside, even after sweeping Asian sessions lows, what do you do then? Okay, now I'm going to be showing you exactly what you're going to do then. If I play price forward, we're going to see how we're going to use this indicator during this actual silver bullet trade. Okay, so you can see that this actually was a sweepage right here. You could say, oh, this is a high probability market structure shift or whatever, but it isn't. Okay, because the indicator did not actually mark out our FEG, but if it did, then it would be a valid market structure shift. But if I play price forward now, we can keep seeing that prices keep just forming, and there we go. We just hit exactly a good point right here. Okay, so price I've actually just swept very good point right here, and this is actually going to be our market structure shift. So now what we're going to do is actually mark out our fair value gap. And what I like to do when there's two fair value gaps right next to each other like this, all I like to do is actually just highlight both of them if they're not very big. Okay, I highlight both of them and actually put my entry at the 50% zone. Okay, so I'm going to just be using my Fibonacci tool right here and just placing my entry at the 50% zone. All I have to do is short this position right here, placing my stop loss at the top of this displacement leg, and placing my take profit at least like a 1 to 2.5 or 2.4. Okay, whatever. So now if I just play price forward, you will see it enters this area. Okay, it enters and even goes higher, and price actually starts to form and goes all the way down. Okay, so it just smashes take profit so nicely right there. Okay, so if I even move this take profit, you can see you could have easily got a 1 to 5. Okay, this is a very good strategy and a very good indicator. If you want it, make sure you message me on Telegram. I will have the link in the description. Also, I'll have this mentorships link in the description. It's a one-time payment, full guarantee. Okay, the price will be increasing soon tomorrow to $99. Don't miss out. Okay, you get access to my Discord, my secret trading strategy, and a full course. Also, my weekly and daily sometimes course. Okay, listen, it won't be easy, it won't be fast, but you will achieve your goal. Anyway, I will teach you how to become profitable and make your first $1,000. And this is all I have to say. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.